Okay, here we go again. There's all my crap. I'm gonna try to showcase some of these models. Oh, there's my cat. Well, my wife's cat. Anyways, these models I'm gonna showcase. They've been in boxes for a long time. 1969 Mustang Mach 1 never got finished. I think Andre Cruz said he has a bunch of models that he never finished. Here's a 55 Chevy Street Machine. Yeah, that was a nice one. Here's a 64 Pontiac GTO 2-in-1. I know Jay's gonna like that one, even though it's not a 67. But yeah, there's a lot of dust on them. Keep in mind, guys, these cars I've had since I was like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 years old. So that's why they look like crap. But I can refurbish them. Since Jim Silva told me about the polyurethane clear gloss, hell yeah, I can take the bodies off of them, clean them up, put that metal cast, or not the metal cast, the polyurethane on there, and they will look awesome. And I got a chrome pen. I can re-chrome everything. I want to paint that one black with some chrome trim. And that one still needs to be built. Everything else is still in the plastic bags. It's never been opened. But my stores around me doesn't sell model glue anymore, so I guess I'll have to order that off of eBay. But yeah, this is just part of what I have, and I would like to show you the rest of them. So stay tuned if you want to see it.